Hi guys! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove or edit unwanted objects on your photos. As you can see in my photo and video folder, I have 5 amazing photo editing apps, which is Snapseed, PixArt, VSCO, Facetune, and Retouch, and one video editor, which is Imovie. Today, I will give you a tutorial on how to use these Retouch applications. So without any further ado, let's get started. Retouch is an app that can help you achieve a good, cleaner, and picture-perfect image. To start with, first you need to install Retouch for only 99 pesos in the App Store. Once the app is installed, get ready to open the app. Tap the album to access your photo library and select the photo you want to edit. This is my chosen photo. Let's take a closer look. You can see a guy riding a bicycle and a helicopter. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the app's 4 editing tools: object removal, quick repair, line removal, and clone stamp. Each of these tools allow you to clean up your images by removing unwanted items. I will start to edit using object removal tool, and I will zoom in to have a closer look of the image. I will use brush to highlight the bicycle. Just simply paint it using your finger. Retouch provides a loop that leads you to highlight exactly the object. And when you are done, just tap go and boom! Just like magic, the bicycle is gone. Now, I will try to use the lasso. Just like the brush, it can remove the object easily and hassle-free. See, there's like a defective part of the mountain where I removed the helicopter. I will try to fix it using clone stamp. Now, I will try to use the quick repair tool. This is the best to remove your blemishes. Just select the area you want to be gone, and as soon as you release your finger, the blemishes will disappear. Next, I'll try again editing using the line removal tool. This helps us to remove linear objects like wires. Since I don't have a photo with wires, I'll just try to remove this pen. Same process like the other tools. So guys, I will give you another sample on how to edit. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video can help you a lot when you edit your photo. Now, start editing like a pro.